Did you know that former U.S. President Barack Obama owns multiple luxurious estates worth a staggering $19.85 million? From a breathtaking oceanfront retreat in Hawaii to a historic mansion in Washington, D.C., his real estate portfolio is as impressive as his political legacy. But what makes these properties so special? What hidden features and exclusive perks do they hold? In this video, we'll take you on a tour of Obama's multi-million-dollar estates, revealing the fascinating details behind each one. You'll discover how he built his real estate empire, the luxurious amenities inside, and why these homes are more than just properties. They are a reflection of his journey from a senator to the 44th president of the United States. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets behind Obama's stunning homes and the lifestyle they offer. The lavish $11.75 million Oceanfront Hawaii estate. One of the crown jewels of Obama's real estate portfolio is his stunning $11.75 million estate in Hawaii, nestled along the breathtaking coastline of Oahu. This oceanfront paradise offers privacy, luxury, and a deep connection to the place where he was born. The estate boasts over 7,000 square feet of living space, featuring floor-to-ceiling windows that provide panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean. The property includes a sprawling lawn, infinity pool, and a private beach access point, making it the ultimate retreat for relaxation. Inside, the home is designed with a mix of modern and traditional Hawaiian architecture, complete with open-air living spaces and high-end finishes. This estate is more than just a home. It represents Obama's lifelong bond with Hawaii and serves as a peaceful escape from the political spotlight. It's no wonder he chose this paradise as his post-presidency haven. The iconic $8.1 million Washington, D.C. mansion. After leaving the White House, the Obamas decided to stay in Washington, D.C., purchasing a magnificent $8.1 million mansion in the upscale Kalorama neighborhood. This historic 8,200 square foot home, built in 1928, is the epitome of classic elegance. The mansion features 9 bedrooms, 8.5 bathrooms, and a beautifully landscaped backyard, perfect for entertaining high-profile guests. The home's interior exudes sophistication, with grand chandeliers, marble fireplaces, and a sweeping staircase. Security is a top priority, with advanced surveillance systems ensuring the family's privacy. Kalorama is known for being home to other political elites, including Jeff Bezos and Ivanka Trump, making it a fitting residence for a former president. The Obamas originally rented the property before purchasing it outright, signaling their deep-rooted connection to the capital. This luxurious mansion serves as both a family home and a strategic hub for Obama's post-presidency endeavors. The stunning Martha's Vineyard estate. In 2019, the Obamas expanded their real estate empire with the purchase of a breathtaking $12 million estate on Martha's Vineyard, an exclusive island retreat favored by celebrities and politicians alike. Situated on nearly 30 acres of pristine land, this sprawling property offers stunning waterfront views and unparalleled privacy. The 6,900 square foot main house features 7 bedrooms, a grand living room with vaulted ceilings and multiple fireplaces for a cozy yet luxurious feel. A massive wraparound porch and a private dock make this estate the perfect summer getaway. The lush greenery and serene setting allow the Obamas to enjoy a quiet, nature-filled retreat away from the public eye. The Martha's Vineyard property is more than just a vacation home. It's a statement of their success and a sanctuary where they can unwind with family and friends. How Obama built his real estate portfolio. Obama's journey to owning these incredible estates didn't happen overnight. His real estate investments were strategically built over time, starting from his modest Chicago home purchased in 2005 for $1.65 million. After his presidency, lucrative book deals, speaking engagements, and Netflix collaborations significantly boosted his wealth. His memoirs, Dreams from My Father and The Promised Land, brought in millions, while his multi-year deal with Netflix, alongside Michelle Obama, added another lucrative income stream. These financial successes allowed the Obamas to acquire high-value properties in some of the most exclusive locations in the country. Unlike traditional real estate moguls, Obama's properties reflect both personal significance and financial wisdom, ensuring long-term value and exclusivity. Inside Obama's luxury homes. Each of Obama's homes is designed with exquisite attention to detail, offering top-tier luxury and comfort. His Washington, D.C. mansion features state-of-the-art security, private office spaces, and a fully equipped chef's kitchen. The Martha's Vineyard estate boasts an outdoor pool, wine cellar, and a home theater for private entertainment. Meanwhile, his Hawaiian retreat is built with an open-concept design, allowing natural light to flood the interiors while offering breathtaking ocean views. Custom-built libraries, spa-like bathrooms, and expansive gardens are just a few of the standout features that make these properties truly extraordinary. Every element of these homes is carefully curated to blend elegance with practicality, ensuring a perfect balance between family life and high-profile hosting. Obama's smart investment strategy in real estate. Unlike many celebrities who purchase properties on a whim, Obama's real estate investments are well-planned and strategic. He focuses on acquiring homes in high-value areas with strong appreciation potential. Washington, D.C., Martha's Vineyard, and Hawaii are all prime locations with stable markets and long-term growth. Additionally, these properties hold personal significance, making them not just financial investments but lifestyle choices. Obama's approach to real estate showcases his ability to balance financial intelligence with personal fulfillment, ensuring that his portfolio continues to grow in value over time. The influence of Michelle Obama in their real estate choices. Michelle Obama has been a driving force in shaping their real estate portfolio, ensuring each home embodies sophistication, sustainability, and functionality. She prioritizes eco-friendly features like solar panels, rainwater harvesting, and sustainable gardens, making their properties both luxurious and environmentally responsible. Michelle also focuses on creating warm, inviting spaces that reflect their family's values, from cozy reading nooks to expansive entertainment areas. Her keen eye for interior design blends modern elegance with personal touches, ensuring every home serves their lifestyle needs. Beyond aesthetics, she ensures top-tier security, privacy, and practicality, making each property a perfect balance of comfort and prestige. How these estates compare to other former presidents' homes. Barack Obama's real estate empire stands out as one of the most extravagant among former U.S. presidents. While George W. Bush resides in a Texas ranch and Jimmy Carter prefers a modest Georgia home, Obama's properties are situated in high-profile, luxury locations. Even Bill Clinton's and Ronald Reagan's estates, though impressive, do not match the grandeur of Obama's Oceanfront Hawaiian retreat or Martha's Vineyard mansion. Unlike many past presidents who chose simplicity post-office, Obama's homes reflect both personal luxury and smart investments. His portfolio places him in a unique category of world leaders who have embraced wealth while maintaining a lasting legacy. Will Obama expand his real estate empire? Given Obama's rising net worth from book deals, Netflix partnerships, and speaking engagements, experts predict he may continue expanding his real estate empire. With properties already in Washington, D.C., Hawaii, and Martha's Vineyard, the next addition could be an international estate, a European villa, a luxurious Caribbean retreat, or even a New York penthouse. His choices indicate strategic investments in high-value locations, ensuring long-term appreciation. If his financial success continues, acquiring more prestigious properties seems inevitable. Whether for personal retreats or investment purposes, future real estate purchases would further solidify Obama's status as one of the wealthiest former U.S. presidents. The legacy of Obama's multi-million-dollar estates. Barack Obama's $19.85 million real estate empire is more than just a symbol of wealth. It represents his legacy. Each home tells a unique story of his rise from a young lawyer in Chicago to the leader of the free world and beyond. His estates aren't just luxurious retreats. They're reflections of his hard work, strategic financial planning, and ability to turn influence into long-term success. From the serene beaches of Hawaii to the political heart of Washington, D.C., his properties signify both personal achievements and smart investments. These homes will remain part of his lasting legacy, showcasing his commitment to family, comfort, and excellence. As future generations look back, Obama's estates will serve as a testament to his influence, both in politics and in building a life of success beyond the White House. Barack Obama's $19.85 million real estate empire is a testament to his journey from a humble background to one of the most influential figures in the world. Each property is not just a luxurious retreat, but a symbol of his success, strategic investments, and deep personal connections. Whether it's his oceanfront Hawaiian escape, the historic D.C. mansion, or the serene Martha's Vineyard estate, every home tells a story. As he continues to shape his post-presidency legacy, His real estate choices will remain a fascinating glimpse into his evolving lifestyle. If you found this video helpful and informative, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you.
Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.